The press up back. Face the chair holding onto the vertical poles and place one foot on the pedal and press it down so that you can turn around carefully on the pedal and reset your hands on the vertical poles behind you. Toes are together on the tips of the toes near the front edge of the pedal. Let the spring carry you up and keep rolling your shoulders excessively onto your back to keep your shoulders on your back as you bend your elbows and resist gravity and the spring on the way down, and let the spring help carry you back up. Only go down as far as you can keep your shoulders on your back. After you've finished your repetitions, you can take a stretch forward. Be careful not to let the chair come over with you. And you can repeat, advancing this exercise only if you're able to keep your shoulders on your back by taking one leg up and holding it in space, and the other leg, and you can also take both legs up and then hold them up and clap the heels together 8 to 10 times. Placing the feet back onto the pedal, again, keeping the body straight and strong, resist gravity to come all the way back down, and take a stretch near the front of the chair, opening up the chest and holding the chair in place with control. Turn around fully to step off of the chair, getting both feet aligned on the pedal, parallel, and then step one foot to the floor and with control, bring the pedal up.